Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python in your PC. To install Python in your PC, you have to download Python at first. So go to the browser and download Python. So type here Python, go for the download, first link here you can see download. So you can directly download from here, or maybe you can hover here downloads. Just hover here and you will find something like this, Python. Just click here and it will actually start downloading. So, or maybe actually you can click here. So I have already downloaded Python in my PC. Let me show you. If I go to the downloads here, you can see I have the Python here. So what I'm going to do now, double click on it for the installation. So here you can see install now in C drive. So if you actually want to install it in your Windows installation drive, let's say you have installed Windows in C drive. So if you click here, it will automatically install your Python in your Windows installation drive. But let's say you want to install Python in some other drive. Let's say you have multiple drive in your PC, D drive, E drive, right? So for this, you can actually go for the custom installation. In custom installation, you have a multiple option to check, and if you want to check it or uncheck it, you can actually do this. So I'll go with the custom installation. If you click here, then here you can see. So now we have everything checked here, so we don't need to actually uncheck any of them. Just go for the next, and here you can see install Python for all users. You just have to check it. That's it. And now in which drive? So I'm mentioning here the C drive. Okay, fine. I'm happy with it. So now let's go for the installation. So click here and install, and it will actually start installing. Here you can see. Fine, here you can see we have installed it. Now close it. Now let's say I want to check the version of Python. I want to check that Python is installed or not. So you can actually go for the control panel also. And from here, you can see we have installed it, right? Python. But let's say you want to check the version of the Python. So you have to go for the CMD and click here. And if you type here not PHP, if it will be Python -- version. And here you can see Python was not found. So we got an error here, right? So if you find this error, what you have to do, you have to set an environment variable. So type here environment, and you will find something like this. Click here, go for the edit variables. Environment variables, and then go for the path under system variable. Click here, edit, and here you have to actually add the path. So which path? The path you have actually installed your Python. So we have installed it in C drive, right? So let's go to the C drive. Inside program files, you will find Python. Here you can see. Just copy the path. Okay, just copy the path and go here and add the new path. Paste it here. Click OK, OK, and OK. Now, if I reopen it, CMD, and if I say here Python -- version, here you can see my Python version is 3.1, 3.7. So we have the latest Python version. Now let's say you want an IDE, so you may actually go with the IDE. So if you type here IDE, you will find this. So ideally, okay, yeah. And if you click here, you can actually run code here. But let's say you want nice interface IDE, so you maybe actually go for the PyCharm. So PyCharm, just type it and you will find something like this. And here you can see it. So just click here, download PyCharm. So click here download. Here you can see .exe Windows version. So just click here download and it will actually start downloading. And what you have to do, you have to just install it and use it. I'm not going to do this. So yeah, it's up to you. So that's it guys. I hope you understand. This is how actually you can install Python in your PC. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.